Hello all, my name is Jack. I'm an instructor with Guitars for Vets, and I'd like to present to you Gratitude by Brandon Lake, and the performance is called The Chosen Performance, I think. Anyway, it's with the capo on the 3rd fret. He sometimes plays it on the 4th fret, sometimes on the 3rd fret, and sometimes I've seen him do it in regular tuning with no capo at all. So I've prepared some chord shape charts, which kind of look like and I've also prepared the actual layout of the song. Now he uses a lot of different shapes, and it changes throughout the song depending upon, I don't know, his emotion, his intensity. It's a very intense finger-picking song, so I think today I'm going to present it as a rhythm song, because the finger-picking thing is a whole other level. So it basically starts with a straight ahead G chord with one finger, and you're just going to strum. You're going to mute the A string, and you're going to play the D string and the G string. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first chord is G. The E minor 7, which looks like this, one finger. To D sus4, where you're going to play only 3 strings. To C9, played like C, add 9, one finger. Back to G. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the introduction and the first verse is actually all the same chords, just repeated 3 times. So you got 1 introduction and 2 verse lines. Okay, so the chorus is going to be the same G. D sus. C add 9. E minor 7, played like this. To D sus. And it's repeated again. Okay, the second time that the first chorus is played, after the D sus, it switches just to 2 measures of G, just strumming like so. Verse number 2 is going to start off with G like so. You're going to still mute the A string. E minor 7, D sus4, C9, okay, the second chorus looks like this. Same G chord. D chord. C add 9. E minor 7. D. And it's done again. Okay, now we go to what I'm going to call an interlude. The interlude is kind of soft, and he's just strumming between G and G sus. So now verse 3 is the same thing as the interlude. So he sings the whole verse on these chord shapes. Okay, and then the chorus goes back to the strum, same strum as we had before, with full chording. Chorus 3. Here's chorus 4. And then over here it gets very delicate. The way I hear it, when he does that retard, or hold back the timing at the very end, it's G, D sus4, C add 9, E minor 7, and it could be a D sus4 like this, I think, where you pluck the D, the G, and the B. And then final is that. Anyway, I hope this helps you. Take care.
Got nothing new. prepared for a heart